In the watermelon blanket pattern, what we're doing is we are changing colors and then carrying our color behind instead of like snipping and then like weaving. So here's how you do that. In the last stitch where we're double crocheting, you're going to yarn over with your current color. You're going to insert your hook and pull through like so. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your old color or current color, bring it down, and you're going to bring your new color and bring it behind, and this hides the color change there. You're going to yarn over and pull through, so that way you're going to be having a very clean color change. And then we're going to carry this color, and carrying it is much easier than it sounds. So it's not going to sit on top, but it's going to sit behind those stitches there. So you are going to just continue to crochet, but you're going to make sure that this new color is hidden behind that stitch there. If it were to sit on top, here's what it'll look like. If it sits on top, you will see that color peeking through, and we don't want that. So make sure that that new color, well, not that new color, but the other color is hidden behind the stitch, and you are going to go into your stitch and behind that color so that you're grabbing and hiding and tucking it there. And that is how you change your color in double crochet and then carry that color. And this is what it looks like on the back. So it's nothing too beautiful on the back because you're going to see some color change, but the front looks beautiful.